Not sure which way to open it. Guys, so look at what I have here. Huge box. This is a mystery box, actually 2 mystery boxes inside here from Tao Teaware. Now if you guys don't follow me on Instagram, last week I think I posted a reel unboxing my 2 mystery boxes from Tao Teaware, and you must have had already known that they arrived broken. The mailman tossed it around my gate, and so when I got the box it just sounded like it was shattered and like it was a mess. And when I opened the box, lo and behold, everything was disgustingly opened and trashed. Everything was bad. Everything but a guy 1 in 3 cups, which I've already used and I love them. I contacted Tao Teaware and they sent me a replacement box, and so here it is. It's huge, and let's see what's inside here. I am super excited, and yeah, let's go ahead and unbox it for you guys. Let's see. Let's see. Look at this. There's 4 boxes. There's 4 boxes here. I am the first box. So here's the first one. By the way, I love these boxes from Tao Teaware. I think they're just amazing. So here's the first one. Let me zoom in a little bit. All right. Okay, this one looks like it arrived in good condition. I had originally received so it was a guy 1 in 3 cups and a Gande bowl, and then a teapot and I think it was a teapot and another guy 1. Couldn't tell, but that's what I had originally received in my mystery box. And yes, oh my god, is this one of his original pieces before even the logo came out?
This was our original logo from when we were Fire and Earth Teaware, and we got these 3 color variations, but I only had a few of these brighter pink and brown. So this was a cool time for me to share the one that honestly looks the most like our brand color, the purple logo, with people who ordered the mystery boxes. To me, it felt special. It felt like I was able to give people a piece of us, a piece of our history and connection to me and Derek. And I think it's pretty cool that we get to pick now what communities we want to be a part of. All right, time to go.
What on earth, guys? Look at this. Oh. This is, oh my god. It's like a frosted, oh my god, this is incredible. Wow, I'm speechless, guys. It's beautiful, guys. It's just incredible. The frostedness, like, and it's, I don't know if this is their old logo or their Tinder logo upside down or sideways, and it's like crackled and dazzled, and like, oh my god, this is the most beautiful guy 1 that I own. The feel of it, and it's just, the lid is perfect. Oh my god, this is beautiful. This guy 1 alone made everything here worth it. And Dart, I think that's your name, right, from Tao Teaware, you've outdone yourself. This alone, I would have been completely satisfied with that guy 1 alone, and I'm already happy. If anything here arrived broken, I don't mind anymore. I am happy with what I have right now so far. That's beautiful. Anyways, we have 2 more boxes to open, and or 3. I'm seeing some little tea balls here. These are, oh my god. Okay, so he sent me all of his new tea cakes. He sent me the panda, the little dragon, I don't know what that is, like a scavenger, the bug, and then the little fox. Second box. I'm already happy. So this is incredible. So let's see what is in here. Right, so here's the other box. So this was the teapot that I had received originally, and it arrived broken, so he sent me a replacement, and I'm super happy. Look at this beautiful pot, guys. Look at this closer. Let me close up the camera. Let me zoom in the camera, guys. Look at this teapot. Look at it. It's just phenomenal. Oh my god. The details and everything looks just gorgeous. This is beautiful, guys. Let me take this rubber off. Okay, guys, look at this. The inside, and it has a little you see it right here, it has like the little strainer attached to it, but that's wonderful. And the lid, look at the lid. Oh, beautiful. This is beautiful. This is gorgeous. Should I film like this? Should I film in this close-up? Third box. Oh my god, guys. Third box. Guys, and this was the other replacement for the Gandebal cup, and I think this is beautiful. Let me do a close-up of this one as well. This was a masterpiece. It actually goes with my teapot from Adhara Tea. It has like, it's a tea pear shape, the pear-shaped teapot. Beautiful. Let me do a close-up. Look at this piece. Oh my god, it's wonderful. It has like a rustic, the leaves. Look at this, guys. Like I mentioned, it goes really well with my Adhara teapot. I'm gonna do a little side split screen so you guys can see that teapot. It goes perfect with this Gandebao. Amazing. Look at this. Oh my god, it's so nice. By the way, I'm drinking a cold brew tea from Sense Tea. I like to do my cold brews with a little bit of sugar as I brew them. Just to add a little sweetness. I just like them a little bit sweet, but not too much, just a tiny bit. That one, if you're wondering, that was the Sense Tea Hawaiian Fruit cold brew. It's like a hibiscus blend with berries and like, it's just incredible. I love it. I highly recommend it. Alright, and so here is the last box. I'm not sure what's in here. It sounds like, I'm not sure. I'm not sure which way to open it. Okay, he mentioned that he was gonna send me a cake, if I wanted to wait. I said yes, I don't mind waiting, but I thought these were the ones he meant, which I was amazingly happy with because this is the teas that he came out with recently, and I believe he had them way before, which I missed. But he sent me a full-on cake. He went and sent me a full-on cake. These are not even on sale yet. These are gonna go on sale soon. Oh my god. And he even included an extra one. Oh my god. He included an extra panda here, an extra little panda. And look at this. Oh my god. He sent me the dragon with the high eyes. I'm so happy. I'm speechless. I'm really blessed. The community that we have here in social media, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, the tea family that we have here, it's just beyond belief. Everyone is so nice and is so supportive, and it's just, if you're new to tea, if you are like a apprentice, if you are a master, everyone is so welcoming and so judgmental free. It's incredible, and so I am really happy that I'm connecting with some of you guys, because it's really hard to find people that are like tea as much as I do, or that like to read books, or plants and stuff like that. So if you're watching, if you watch the whole video, thank you so much. I will be doing a giveaway, so it's only for the people that are actually watching the video all the way through. I want to share this happiness that I'm having right now with one of you guys. I will be sending you the panda tea, because I have two, and the dragon tea because I have the actual whole tea. So all you gotta do is follow me on Instagram if you have an Instagram, or if you don't, you can just send me comment down below panda dragon, so that I know that you watched the whole entire video and that you are entered to win the giveaway. It's only gonna be for people here in the United States, and so yeah, just follow me on Instagram. Have a public YouTube account so that I could see that you commented, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Follow me on Instagram, send me a DM dragon panda so that I know you're entered because of YouTube, and that's it. I am super happy. So I'm just gonna be sending you two little balls, and maybe some extra tea from my collection. It's not that lot, but I'll just include it in there, and yeah, that'll be it, guys. I'm super happy with my unboxing, and yeah, so thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Kopong arigato gozaimashita, and Tao Teaware, you rock. You are amazing. Thank you.